We will be comparing the values of these powers. To solve these equations, you'll need to know BEDMAS. BEDMAS stands for brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. These are the orders of operation. Now let's begin with the first power. Firstly, start with the power inside the brackets, which is 4 to the power of 2 and the negative sign outside the brackets. This is an alternate way of doing this power by multiplying the two exponents, but we choose to do it the longer way to give you a better understanding of how to do it. Back to the equation. Since there is a negative outside the brackets, it will therefore be applied afterwards. So 4 to the power of 2 equals 16, because 4 to the power of 2 is equal to 4 times 4. The answer will be negative 16 to the power of 3. This equals negative 16 times 16 times 16, which this equals negative 4,096. Now with the second equation, which is this power, first you're going to want to start with what's inside the brackets, which is negative 4 to the power of 2. Now, where the negative is placed in this power, it will apply to only the 4. So to solve this power, you're going to do negative 4 to the power of 2. But this is a negative inside the bracket, so it will look like this, negative 4 times 4, which equals negative 16. Because a negative multiplied by a positive is a negative. Next step would be to take negative 16 and put it with power of 3, which would then look like negative 16 times negative 16 times negative 16. And it would equal negative 4,096. Because a negative multiplied by a negative is a positive, and a positive multiplied by a negative is a negative. And that's how this power works. Now with the third equation, which is this power, again you're going to want to start with the power in the brackets, which would be negative 4 to the power of 2, and this would equal negative 4 times negative 4, which equals 16. Now since you've done everything in the brackets, you take the 3 from the outside of the brackets and put it over, which looks like 16 to the power of 3. This equals 16 times 16 times 16, which equals 4,096. And now you know how to do exponent law for power of a power.